so when them say worm, and it's just like worm. If you don't see any worm in your food, something wrong.
Okay guys, we're at Ujima's Farmers Market and we have Chef Brian Lumley.
Hey guys.
Alright, what are we cooking today, Chef Lumley?
Alright, so we have a lot going on. I'm cooking a rice stir-fried noodle dish. It's vermicelli noodles. But Ujima's Farmers Market is one of my favorite markets. It's an organic market. So there's no pesticide, there's zero chemicals that are used to raise these vegetables.
Why do you prefer to shop at Ujima's Farmers Market compared to others?
So I like to eat Jamaican first. I do my best not to buy imported food. So that's the main reason why I'm here. And then you get stuff that you would normally see. I may get Jamaican broccoli, which is something that, you're in the supermarket, you will see imported broccoli. And you will get like Chinese yam and stuff like that. Those are the things that I look forward to.
You want to show us what you got?
Okay, I ordered from Shelley's Farm. I have here Swiss chard, which you don't get Swiss chard in the supermarket. And I have dinosaur. It's people who don't know what Swiss chard looks like. This here, and I stir fry it. Okay, and then I have dinosaur kale, which most people know.
Dinosaur kale.
Yeah, dinosaur kale.
Okay.
And I haven't finished shopping yet.
Chef Lumley, why is it important for you to cook organic?
No, I mean, these people can tell you it's great for your body. You feel it in your body. Your body feels different. Your body responds different.
So, if we want to recreate this dish, what are some of the key ingredients that we need?
So you got to start with the ginger. To grate it, all right, and then I'll have a little celery, cabbage, pak choy, and bok choy, and then I'll have some julienne carrots here. So when you start with the seasonings, the mushroom, the things that are harder to cook, bamboo shoots here, and once I start cooking that up, I'll add the noodles and then add the vegetables.
And how long does this take to prepare?
5 minutes.
It's excellent. Yes, it's very nice.
It's really good.
I think it's so important for people to understand where the food comes from and how to use their food and how to live a healthy, long lifestyle without sacrificing too much. People think healthy and be like, it's not that flavorful or not. No, it can be flavorful. You just have to know how and where to get the stuff.
And this was very flavorful. So until next time, guys, bye.